30 some point. Okay, I actually got the third battery stored inside the backpack. So, yeah. Oopsie. That was a bad crash. I don't know where the top half of this thing is. I'm gonna have to find it though. Let's see if I can find it. It's gonna be white. I think we found it. There it is. Oh my god. Whoa. It looks like everything's okay. I'm gonna plug the stuff back in and just see if it makes any weird noises or anything. Okay, now this actually should work. Well, I'll be damned. If you look in there, you'll see we do indeed have video. And if I arm this, let's see if it arms. Oh. That's not good. We're 50% there. Okay, so it's about 3 hours later. I just finished fixing it. I actually soldered the wires right on to the ESC, and those pads are not meant for soldering at all. So I think it's going to be fine. I'm going to plug it in right now. Let's see if it works. Okay, here we go. So, okay, I'm actually not getting video. Okay, whoa. That was bad. So I think that weird arming issue was actually just a result of the flight controller vibrating. I think that was totally normal. Okay, let's arm it again. So there you go. So now it's perfectly smooth. So my hypothesis was right. So the only issue seems to be that I am actually not getting video signal, so I'm going to look into this. Okay, so I am back one last time. I figured out the issue. I actually soldered the smart audio wire to video, and that's why it wasn't working. So there you go. As you can see, there is video coming out of this thing now, and actually, it's all good to go. This quadcopter is fixed. So, time to put it back together, and you know what? I'm going to go fly more today. Alright, it's now almost 5 o'clock. I went out and flew this thing at maybe 11 or 12. Man, this day was just too nice to spare, huh? Guess so. Wow, you're flying drones again? Moment of truth, I guess.